Hi, I'm Drishika and I'm from India, and currently I'm doing masters in marketing and masters in finance. And what I plan on doing after university is probably working for a marketing agency or a big firm. Yeah.
I am Manasi and I'm from India. I'm also studying marketing and masters in marketing and finance, and even I want to work in a digital marketing agency.
Hi, I'm Richa and I'm also from India and I'm doing Masters of International Business. I want to work here but I don't know what department. I'm still trying to figure it out. We moved to Australia in February, we all together, but we didn't know each other before and we became friends when we were looking for apartments and that's how we ended up living in an apartment together. So that was nice, but then COVID hit and the university was in lockdown, like the whole Australia was in lockdown, and we couldn't go out. We were studying online, so which is when we were like just the four of us. We also had one more roommate with us, so just the four of us, and we didn't get to meet different people, experience proper Australia, proper Sydney.
I think that took like a financial toll on all of us because we couldn't like get that much of financial help from our family from India. It was a burden on them as well. So that's when we came across this NSW scheme where they were helping international students to get free accommodation for like 3 to 5 months. And I insisted that we should all apply for it. And when we did, we all of us luckily got RMC together, and that's how we visited Peter here.
The COVID situation was like easing out over here, and that's when there were a lot of events happening, like Farmer Wants a Bush Bash, and all of those events helped us make new friends and be connected with the people living here, and that's how it helped us to like get out of our comfort zone. And RMC hasn't helped us just financially, but it also helped us like growing personally and learning different things about Australia, taking part in events and understanding the culture and everything over
Yeah,
here.
we visited this, we went for this one ball which was called the RMC ball that
Yeah.
happens every year.
Yeah.
And it was so interesting for all of us to go there and meet new people and how the ball was conducted, and it was like a new experience for us because in India we don't really have balls every now and
Yeah.
then. It's just like a special event that happens only a few times. Like here it's like a culture to go to balls. So I think that was something like a unique experience we had here.
And then when we moved here finally, I think we it really helped us as an place because we had like a special place to study. There are study rooms all around RMC, and that gave us like our own personal space to study, because in an apartment it was difficult to sync with each other's timings, and we had to, somebody else had to not have their fun time because it was, someone else's exam. So that wasn't happening here, and we could study better, and we realized that with our grades as well. Also, just besides Dakota, we had more dogs here, and we went to our first dog birthday party, and that was really good. We met like almost 4 5 dogs, and now I take Ziggy for walks for so many times over the weekend. So that's really nice.
Yeah, whenever we have nothing to do, probably on the weekend or during the week, we make sure we take like one of the dogs for a walk or have some fun with them. That sort of makes us feel better, and it's like a new experience. And since the area here is so huge, it's fun playing with dogs. Also, what I would like to add is that eventually when we got to know a lot of people, we met like our RAs, we started talking to them. That's when we came to know that we have this small little praying area here, like a church sort of a thing, where we were like really inclined to know what Christianity is like, because back in India we don't really get to know more about it because we are more of like a Hindu nation. And so we never got the opportunity to sort of know more about Christianity. And like we have this, we our RA Sarah, she invited us to church one day, and we went. We sort of met so many people there, that and those people were so warm. They had come here for a short like a conference here, and we've made friends with them. And then we recently visited the Blue Mountains with them as well. So I think that is this is an opportunity that all of us had to get to know about a new religion as well, and get to know people who are inclined towards it. So I think that's one more thing that was like really a good opportunity.
Everyone here is very friendly. The people that are living here and the staff as well. We have made so many new staff and like they are so friendly and they treat us like our family, and it feels like we're actually living in our home and not that far away from like our home. So which is really sweet, and which convinced us to stay more here even after our scheme with the government. So that
Yeah.
is really nice about RMC.